welcome if you're new and welcome back if you've been before. Today I am here with a long overdue video. It is going to be the Swallowtail Butterfly top in our last size, which is a large, I believe. So for this project you need yarn of your choice. I do not remember the name of this yarn. I got it years ago and now it's just a bunched up tangled mess, so I'm going to work with it. I'm going to use a 4mm hook. I don't know if y'all can really see that, but a 4mm hook. And you're going to need scissors, of course. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so to start off, we're going to make a slip knot. You can leave a tail of whatever length you want to, but I do a short tail. Not really important. And we are going to chain 58.
And I'll be back once I have my chain 58 completed to show you what to do next.
In the second chain from the hook, we are going to place a single crochet and a double crochet. We're going to skip the next chain, but in the one right after that, we are going to single crochet and double crochet, skip a chain, and then the following chain, single crochet and double crochet, and skip a chain and the following chain, single crochet and double crochet. And you're just going to keep on doing this until you've reached the end, and your last chain should be a single crochet and a double crochet. So I'll meet you once I have that done. Okay, so here we are on our final chain space. We're going to single crochet and double crochet. And now we have that done. Okay, so for our next row, and every row after this, so rows 2 through 19, you're going to chain 1, skip the first space, single crochet and double crochet in that second space, skip a space, single crochet and double crochet in the next space. And if you're looking at your stitches, you are single crocheting and double crocheting into the single crochet space as opposed to the double crochet. So I'm going to skip the double crochet top and single crochet and double crochet into the single crochet top. And remember, you're going to do this for rows 2 through 19, so you should have a total of 20 rows once completed. I'm going to work my 20 rows off camera, then I'm going to come back to show you what we'll do next. Alright, so I have my 20 rows done. Now what you're going to do, starting at the end, you're going to count over 25 and then a 26 stitch, place your stitch marker. Start on the other end, count over 25 and a 26 stitch, place your stitch marker. And in total you should have 8 stitches marked off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're not going to work in these stitches where your stitch marker or scrap piece of yarn is. It's going to work in a 25 before or 25 after. Okay, so to start, chain 1, turn your work and single crochet in the first 25 stitches, so the double crochet top and the single crochet top. You're just going to single crochet. Should have a total of 25 single crochet stitches once you're done, and I'll meet you to show you what to do next. Now that our 25 single crochet are done, chain 1, turn your work, single crochet 6, in the next space we're going to have double crochet and double crochet, chain 3, and then double crochet and half double crochet in the next space. After you have that done, we're going to single crochet 7, half double crochet and double crochet in the same space, chain 3, then double crochet and half double crochet in the next space, then you are going to end with 8 single crochet. Okay, so I ended off with my 8 single crochet. Next row, chain 1. We're going to double crochet 10. I'll meet you once I have my 10 double crochet done, you know. Okay, so we have our 10 done. We double crocheted on top of the single crochets, and then on top of the half double crochet, and on top of the double crochet. So we're going to place 6 double crochet in this gap space. I'll meet you once I have that finished. Okay, and to finish off this row, we are going to double crochet 11. So you're going to double crochet on the double crochet, the half double crochet, the single crochet, the half double crochet, and the double crochet. Double crochet 6 in this gap, and then you're going to end with a double crochet of 8. So on top of the single crochet, on top of the half double crochet, and on top of the double crochet. Okay, so I finished that off camera. For the next row, I'm going to work this off camera too, but we're going to start by single chaining 1, turn your work, single crochet 10, then half double crochet and double crochet in the same space, chain 3, and in the next space you're going to double crochet and half double crochet in the same space. Then you're going to single crochet 15, then you're going to half double crochet and double crochet in the same space, chain 3. In the next space you are going to double crochet then half double crochet. Then you are going to end off with 12 single crochet. And again, I'm going to work this off camera. I'm going to come back to show you how it looks. And I'll be back to show you what to do with the next row. Okay, so now you should have something that looks like this. For our next row, we're going to start with a chain 1. We're going to do 14 double crochet. In this gap, we are going to double crochet 3, chain 3, and double crochet 3. Then we're going to double crochet 7, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet 7. Once you make it to the gap, you're going to double crochet 3, chain 3, and double crochet 3. Then you're going to end off with 12 double crochet. I'm going to work this off camera, and I'm going to come back to show you how it looks. Okay, so you should have something that looks like this. Your slip stitch should be right here. That makes it easy to fold like that to give you the final look that you want. For our next row, we are going to chain 1, single crochet 15. In the gap, we're going to place 6 single crochet. Then we're going to single crochet 12, half double crochet 2, double crochet 11. In the gap, we are going to double crochet 3, chain 3, and double crochet 3, and we're going to end with 17 double crochet. So you already know I'm going to work this off camera, and I'm going to come back and show you how that should look. Okay, so we have that row done, and now I'm just working on I'm about to work on my final row. Okay, so for the very last row, we're going to start with a chain 1. We're going to single crochet 19, half double crochet and double crochet in the same space. In the gap, we are going to double crochet 6. Then we're going to double crochet and half double crochet in the same space. We're going to single crochet 13, and we're going to end with a slip stitch of 3. So you should end somewhere around the middle. I'm going to work this last half a row, and I'm going to show you how that looks, and then tell you what to do next. Okay, so now I have my 3 slip stitches done. I'm going to cut this off, leaving the tail so I can weave it in or sew it in, however y'all decide to close your piece. I'm going to secure that with a little bit of a knot. I'm going to weave my ends in later, the end of my project, but this is what we have. One side completed, so pretty. So you're going to do everything you just did over here, but to start, we are going to turn our piece so your unfinished side should be on the right and your finished side should be on the left. You're going to attach your yarn however you see fit in that single crochet space, because remember we start with a single crochet. But I'm going to finish this side off camera, doing everything I just did over here exactly. And yeah, I'm gonna come back once I have that done to show you how to do the side detailing. Okay, so as you can see, bottom done, and also went ahead and did the side over here. Let me just snip this a little bit. Okay, I weaved in my ends as well, if you can see that. So now what we're gonna do is this over here. So what I do is start at the very top. So the loop that you put your chain loops, find end of yarn. Okay, so we're gonna start here, and then we're gonna do single crochet 32. It's best to start at the top and work your way down. It's easier to see. Every row that you ended with the double crochet, you do 2 single crochet. If you ended with a single crochet, you do 1 single crochet. So that should make it easy. But yeah, I'm just about to do my 32 single crochet, starting with the chain loop. And yeah, I'll single crochet my way down here, total of 32. I'm gonna come back and show you what to do next. Okay, so I have my 32 single crochet completed. I ended off at the wing. For our next row, we're going to chain 1, turn your work, double crochet in the first 2 spaces, and then for the remaining portion of this, we're going to chain 1, skip 1, double crochet 2. You're going to do that for a total of 10 times, and that should bring you to the end, and you should end off with 2 double crochet. So we're going to chain 1, skip 1, and double crochet in that space, and double crochet in the next space.
Chain 1, skip 1, and then double crochet in the next 2 spaces. Okay. And you're going to do this to the end. You should end off with 2 double crochet.
Okay, so now to end it, we are going to chain 1, and we're going to place a single crochet in every double crochet top and a single crochet in every gap. So you should end off with a total of 32 single crochet, just like you started with. And I'll meet you once I have that done, and we'll do the middle section. Okay, so for the middle section, we are going to make a slip knot and chain 7. Then in the second chain from the hook, we are going to single crochet. If I could get it in the last space. Okay, now for the next 10 rows, we are just going to single crochet, chain 1, turn your work, and single crochet. And you should have a total of 11 rows when you're done. Okay, so I have my 11 rows done. We're going to get our main piece again, and we're going to begin to fold it up just in the middle. This is actually up to you how much you want to fold it or how little you want to fold it. I'll do mine like that. And when it comes to attaching this, you have options. I like to single crochet mine closed, but you can cut a long tail and sew it closed. However you want to do this, it's up to you.
What I'm going to do though is cut off a different color line just so I can tie this, and that'll make it easier to add my tie portion and keep the shape while I do it. Okay.
So all I'm going to do is I stretch this out a little bit. Okay. And me, I'm going to chain 1, then begin to sew these together. Easy. Now we have that nice shape. Okay. And the last and final step is to do our ties. or straps. So I'm gonna do one side and come back and show y'all do the other side. Okay, so for the straps, I already did this one and laced it up, whatever. But for this side, so you're gonna do a slip knot and you're going to chain up 91. I already did. And on your wing, once you reach that end that connects the side to the bottom, you're going to place a single crochet in that space. Okay. And after you do that, you can chain however many you want for the bottom portion. I'm going to chain 81 and then I'm going to come back. Okay, so I have my chain 81 done. Now I'm just going to cut this off and secure it with a knot. Sometimes a chain might not be enough to do the support. So if you want to, you can always come back down this chain with slip stitches, single crochets, half double crochets, or double crochets, depending on the amount of support you want. And it should be able to fit right on in there snugly. But when it comes to lacing the side up, what you're going to do is the bottom portion, you're going to want to go over that. So over the bottom one, under the second, then over and under, and you're just going to keep on going over and under, over and under, over and under, and your top one should be an under. So you start with an under and in with the under. Okay. Then pull this through. And just like that is done. So yeah, my top is done. I already weaved in my ends and everything. Only thing left to do is show you how it looks on the mannequin. It's just really cute. I really like this yarn. This color is beautiful. But yeah, let me show you how it looks on the mannequin while I'm rambling on. Okay, so here's the top. She is really cute, just like the other ones. And I just want to say I love all the remixes y'all been doing and all the remixes y'all been doing of this top. Oh my god, they be so cute, y'all. Every time y'all tag me, I make sure to comment, like it, and share it. So yeah, but that's it for this video. You already know, like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on post notifications so you know when I drop a new video. And yeah, if y'all was waiting on the large, here y'all go. She's out.